Question 35. 49% of our students got this right on the mock exam. The graph shows the cost of purchasing X small flags at a gift shop if the flags are equally priced. Okay, so I'm looking at number of flags. So if I purchase one flag, the y-axis is cost. So one flag cost me $5. Two flags cost me $9. Three flags cost me $13. Four flags cost me $17. Okay. Based on this information, which ordered pair represents an additional point? So which of these 4 points would fit the pattern that I already see happening here? So it looks like they're trying to make this hard on me because they're making the graph only big enough to see 4 flags, and they want me to check what happens if I have 5 flags or 8 flags or 6 flags or 7 flags. So what you could do is use the graph paper in your EOC packet. You'll get one sheet of graph paper. You could copy this out, or you could take this and make it into a table, because here's what we notice. What we notice is that this makes a straight line. So there's a pattern going on here. So I can make a table and predict the rest of the pattern. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't have graph paper, so I'm going to make a pattern. So my first, let's do, so I'm going to make a table for my x's and y's. Let me make this look prettier. Alright, so my first point was 1, 5. Let me put that in, 1, 5. My second point was 2, 9. My third point was 3, 13. My fourth point was 4, 17. Okay, so I'm looking at my pattern here. On my left side, I can see that my x's just keep going up by 1s. That's easy, so I'm just going to fill in the next few ones so I can see what the next rows look like. So I'm just adding 1 to my x's, and I get 5, 6, and 7. On my y's here, let's see. 5 plus what gives me 9? 5 plus 4. Let's check that. 9 plus 4, does that give me 13? Yep. 13 plus 4, does that give me 17? Yep. So my pattern over here is every time I'm going from one y to the next, I'm adding a 4. I'm adding 4, adding 4, adding 4. So 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 plus 4, 29. Notice I haven't even looked at my answer choices yet. I'm just building the pattern that I know is going to happen based on the points they gave me by taking the graph, turning to the table. Okay, now that I have a few points, hopefully one of those worked out. Which ordered pair represents an additional point? 5, 19? Nope. So 5, 21. 8, 34? I don't know yet. I actually didn't build my table big enough, but hopefully I don't have to deal with that. 6, 24? Nope. Should be 6, 25. 7, 29? Yes. 7, 29 is the answer. I could test out 8 if I wanted to. My next point would be 8, I would add another 4. 29 plus 4 gives me 33, so it didn't work. So 7, 29 was the right answer.